What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the process. It's your boy Eprofit. So I'm over here putting in some work. Just want to give y'all a quick little update video of my elco and keeping this process going. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick little walk around what I got going on over here. But come on, man, let's go ahead and let me show y'all what's going on. Look at that front end. Got my front bumper together, man. If y'all ain't seen my video, I replaced the whole front bumper. Got that boy looking good now. And my man seen me put that work in, so he ended up calling me. He wanted some work done on his car. He got the same color Impala like I got. So he wanted some front end work done in his. So I'm over here putting that work in now in my garage. I'm gonna show y'all what I've been doing. But here go my elco. Sitting here waiting for his next step. And I've been doing my research. I got me a plan figured out for this heart transplant. So I'm finna snatch this 350 out. So if any of y'all interested in getting you a small block 350, man, this boy run good. I'm telling you. I got the battery in it right now, but it runs good. I just got bigger plans. So I'm gonna go ahead and snatch this out. It's for sale. Headers, carburetors coming complete. I'm gonna snatch it out. I might keep the transmission, man, but for the right offer, you can get the motor and the trans. Just shoot me an email or leave me a comment. Go to my Instagram, Eprofitdetroit@gmail.com. If you're interested, let's talk about it. So, but in my last video, y'all see I had got the carpet out so I can do a full assessment on my flow pans. And as you see, them boys just toe up from the flow up. You feel me? But I've been doing my research, man, so I'm gonna go ahead and get me a welder machine. And I'm gonna just do it myself. I'm gonna get me the welder from Harbor Freight. I've seen some stick welding machines. I've been watching some YouTube videos, YouTube University, getting my knowledge up. I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out, man. It's only right. Look at this flow shifter. I'm still upset about this flow shifter, man. That boy all in his sideways. Why you just couldn't put it right here in the center? That's all you had to do. You had to cut one hole for the wire, and that was it, man. But whatever. I'll get it together. So yeah, y'all boys stay locked in. Like I said, man, I'm finna go ahead and go to work on this, on my elco. But let me go ahead and give y'all a quick walk around on what I've been over here doing. Back in the garage, back in the booth. Look at this. He also wanted me to do some bumper repairs on this. He got a crack. I gotta move my elko so I can get a good look at that bumper, but got a little crack right here. But he just wanted a quick touch up. I'm gonna show y'all how I looked when I first got it, because it had a single stage paint job on the front end, and the paint started to like dry out, like it had a reaction. So this is how it look now. Y'all see I put that work in, man, over here in the garage with it. No spray booth, all skill. I ain't even wet sanded that boy down yet, so the way it looked, shoot, I don't think I even need no wet sanding. Y'all see how good it laid? Look at that. So that's my whole point. You ain't gotta have no good environment like that, man. It helps to have a, ventilation and a heat control paint booth, but if you got skills, you gonna wet that boy regardless, you feel me? So this is what I do, man. Put my touch on it. But check these videos out. This is how it came. This is how it was looking when I first got my hands on it. And this is how I look now. So this is what I do, baby. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna let it dry some more. I need about maybe 4 or 5 more hours. I'm gonna go ahead and close my garage down so I can get a good kind of controlled temperature, so I can go ahead and cure a little better. And I'm gonna go from there, man. He got a few more things I'm gonna show him that he could get touched up. I seen some spots on the fender, so I'm gonna talk to him, man. I might have some update videos coming soon. We shall see. But I didn't get a chance to show y'all the whole process. I just wanted to go ahead and knock this out. It was a 2-day job, you know, so I got her done. Now I'm finna move on to my next step. My Elco, baby. I'm telling y'all, when I get my hands on her, man, I got this color scheme planned out. I'm about to have her looking so good, you just don't know. I'm kind of mad though, because I seen a car on YouTube that had that same idea as far as color scheme. But I'm gonna have to go ahead and finesse my plan a little bit, man, because when I get through with her, she's gonna be one of one. You hear me? So stay locked in for that. I'm nasty with the paint gun, my baby. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the battery back in there. Let her start up for a minute. So y'all can hear how she runs. If you want this 350, man, shoot me an offer. Shoot me an email. Let me show y'all boys how she sound. You know, you already on my channel, you know how she sounds because y'all seen my other videos, but start right up. Good, man. I think it might have a little manifold gasket leak in the back. I've seen a few oil leaks too from the front timing cover. Otherwise, it's a good foundation for somebody who wants to put some work in for a 350. Poly carburetor on it. Y'all interested, man? Shoot me an email. Let's talk about it. Disturb my neighbors too much, but yeah, man, let's talk about it. Otherwise, that's it for this video. So like I always say, man, leave me a comment, like this video, share it, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. Stay locked in with your boy. Let's get to it, man.